first of all, thank you for coming to Australia. I know we've been trying for half a decade to get you here. I'm glad that you're finally here.
佢好開心今日你嚟到，我哋試咗好多次嚟澳洲，我哋第一次嚟。Thank you for having me。你講。
我嚟遲咗啦。
We're a little bit late. We wish we were here sooner.
Not today, but just in general.
Right, in general.
Today, there's always.
應該係1973年應該嚟。
You should have came here 1973.
係因為李小龍有一部新戲要嚟呢度拍。
It's because Mr. Bruce Lee had a new movie at that time. We were supposed to come here.
呢部戲係荷里活嘅大戲。
It was supposed to be a big movie from Hollywood.
係比 Into Dragon 更大。
Bigger than the Into Dragon.
所以我哋喺香港有個 meeting， 有20個人。
We had a meeting in Hong Kong with about 20 people.
Australia director, producer, leader, everybody 喺一齊食飯。
Was that the lunch that George Lazenby was at? Yeah, you told me about that.
李小龍同我講話呢部戲個 ending 就係佢同我打。
Bruce Lee told him that the ending of the movie, it was a fight between him and Polo.
咁我打咩咧？
Then he asked, what am I gonna do?
佢話我打詠春。
He was gonna do Wing Chun.
李小龍就打截拳道。
Bruce Lee was gonna do Jeet Kune Do.
因為
Because
money point, everybody know Bruce Lee is from Wing Chun, right? So now Wing Chun, Jeet Kune Do, roll out Wing Chun. 就是 money point。佢自己學詠春，唔可以抱住詠春一世嘅。
he learned Wing Chun, but he can't just hold on to Wing Chun forever.
但係我所有嘅人都係咁樣。
But most of the people are like that.
信基督教就基督教。
If you're Christian, then you believe.
信佛教就佛教。
If you're Buddhist, you believe in Buddha.
martial art 同宗教係一樣。
Martial arts is very similar to religion.
大家都抱住唔放。
We hold on tight.
佢冇去諗，我學呢樣嘢學咗10幾年，係咪有問題？冇人咁樣諗。
Nobody really think of, well, I've learned this for so many years. Is this what is for me?
所以要反思。
We need to think.
自己認為最好嘅嘢，可能唔係。
What you think is the best for you, it might not.
所以我哋呢幾十年咧，學嘅嘢唔係 martial art。
For himself, he's speaking for himself. The last 20, 30 years, what he has been learning is not just martial arts.
亦唔係全部係 bodybuilding。
It's not only just bodybuilding.
係學啲其他嘢。
There are many different things he have learned.
氣功。
氣功。
氣功係乜嘢？
What is 氣功？
其實好簡單。
It's very simple.
我細嘅時候咧，
When he was little,
就去動物園啊。
He will go to the zoo.
裝啲老虎起身。
He'll wait for the tiger to wake up.
因為佢日頭瞓覺。
Because they sleep during the
夜晚先起身。
They wake up at night time.
佢一起身咧，
When they wake up,
呢個嚟啦。Okay, listen. Nobody teach him. 你氣功 ，the power 嗰啲聲啊，過咗山都聽到。
They're so loud. They're so powerful.
冇人教佢嘅。
Nobody teaches them.
所以我哋人類咧學好多嘢都係跟動物。
As as human, a lot of things we learn from the animal.
譬如只狗，
For example, a dog.
佢只狗嘅呼吸就係氣功，
The way a dog breathes, their breathing
但係我哋唔
is
知，
qigong. But we don't know. We didn't
你冇去留意佢點樣嗌嘅時候，
because we don't pay attention.
the power here。但係我哋平時
That's human. That's
我
how
唔
we
識用力
scream.
啊，所以要練氣功。
That's why we learn qigong.
除咗氣功之外呢，
Besides qigong,
我哋讀啲書，讀啲關於哲學嘅嘢
we read about philosophy.
，philosophy。點解要學呢？
Why do we need to learn?
做嘢揾錢就得啦。
We can just work and make money.
李小龍17、18歲中學畢業，
When Bruce Lee, when he was 17, 18 years old, he graduated from high school.
佢問佢個學校嘅先生：
He asked his teacher at school,
人生嘅意義係乜嘢？
what is the meaning of life?
我哋嚟呢個世界做乜嘢？
Why do we come to the world?
佢個先生叫佢：你要去讀大學，讀哲學。
The teacher told Bruce Lee he needs to go to school and learn philosophy.
佢即刻就去讀。
So then he went.
揾多錢係冇用，
It doesn't matter how much you make, how much money you make,
都唔知生命嘅意義係乜嘢，
because you don't know the meaning of life.
所以先至有一個叫李小龍同人哋唔同
And that's why there's a Bruce Lee.
，100% different，
He's different than other people.
叫做逆向思考，調翻轉。
He thinks differently.
有另外一個問題喺呢度提，可能唔係幾啱時間。
There's another question we can talk about, but maybe right now it's not the best time.
我哋地球嘅人類最驚係乜嘢？
Human, what are we afraid of?
時間
Timing.
，OK？我哋驚時間，
We're
我哋會老㗎，
Because we'll get old, we'll grow old.
老就會病㗎，
Because when we grow
啊
old,
會
we
死
get
㗎。
sick, we'll die.
時間怕乜嘢？
Time. What is time afraid of?
有冇人可以研究呢啲？
Who knows?
冇人研究。
Nobody knows.
永垂不朽，即係一樣嘢前邊冇人做，後邊亦冇人做，呢啲就係睇嗰個時間最驚。
If nobody 時間
唔係，即係以前啊，
before,
冇人做得到，
nobody has accomplished,
後邊以後亦冇人做得到嘅。
and no one can ever accomplish.
呢樣嘢就係時間最驚嘅。
This is what the time.
金字塔，金字塔，金字塔啦，
Pyramid.
係咩？
With time, as a promoter, so we will sit here and listen to you talk all day. I didn't think we were going to get all this amazing wisdom, and we've already had 10 minutes go by. So quickly, what I would like to ask you before we finish, from the life that you've had, from martial arts, movies, father, grandfather, I know you love spending time with your babies. What is it that you would like to pass on to the next generation? Not necessarily of actors or martial artists, but to humans. What do you think we got right and wrong? Quickly.
好快咁樣講一講，你想同呢個新嘅一代有啲咩 message 俾佢哋？
逆向思考，逆向，調翻轉諗，
Think differently. don't think like everyone else, think differently.
馬斯克就係逆向思考，
馬斯克
馬斯克最有錢嗰個
Tesla.
Tesla
Elon
Think outside the box.
is an example. He thinks
佢
outside the
諗
box.
嘢係調翻轉諗嘅，
He thinks differently than others.
我哋係唔係向前睇嘅，
We
佢
all
係
look,
向後。
think forward, we look forward, but he look at things differently.
創新係有個辦法，創新啊，
We want to be different.
創新個辦法就係跳躍式嘅思考 ，not this one，
You jump
係喺唔同嘅範疇嘅地方跳到唔同嘅地方。
to a different place.
比如話你係讀數學嘅，
If you
突
learn
然之間去讀其他嘅嘢，
If you learn math, you're going to learn something completely different.
佢有新嘅嘢出嚟。嗰、個 idea 喺邊度嚟啊？個大陸靈感啊，
Where does the idea come?
大陸靈感，
It's your sixth sense.
啱啱瞓醒覺嘅時候，
When you
Check
just
that out.
wake up.
去廁所嘅時候，
When you're in the bathroom.
佢啲大陸靈感就嚟。
That's when your sixth sense
佢啲
will
大陸
come.
靈感係點樣嚟呢？佢係嗰啲神經線啊， 接觸。
Your nervous system.
佢就嚟㗎啦。
That's
佢鬆咧，冇人知我。
when you're relaxed, you don't think that well. Okay.
What we're going to do now is we're going to, for those of you with the silver wristbands that got a photo only, Andrew +1, Daniel White stay behind here with me, Dave, Emile, Joe +1, +2, Carl, Lauren, Paul, you all know who you are. Silver, orange wristband. I'll get you guys to move